2026 is going to be a new year for us, new year for the shop, new year for projects, and Tennessee Coachworks is going down a different road than anybody else has seen recently, or that anybody else has seen us do recently. Years ago, we did it, probably 5 or 6 years ago. So now we're going back to our roots. 2026 is going to be a great year. We've got some great partners. We've got some great friends. We've got some great projects. Let me show you a little bit. 57. Got us a Lincoln again, convertible. The Chevelle out there is about ready to be fired. The cab over is going home. Owner just doesn't know it yet. Going to finish the glass in it in the next week or so, and it's going home. The 56 we got cut glass for, and it's going to be going home, hopefully. So, check this out. We're going to expand the two bays together. We got beams. We're going to be putting beams in. We're going to clean all this crap back up. This wall is coming out to probably where I've got the OSB off, right here. And then this will all be open. This is going to all be open. Something's going to be here. But what is it? Do we know? I don't think you know. I haven't built anything like this ever. But y'all know me for 650s and for other stuff. I can do something else. So my guys are going to be running the shop. My guys are going to be doing their day-to-day things. And I'm going to be sitting back here in this lovely hole showing you what Tennessee Coachworks is about. Stay tuned.